I've just downloaded Big Sur. It's awesome. Let's get into this full review. This redesigned dock with uniform app icons. Every single one of them just looks amazing. Look at them, they all look the same shape. It's all nice, it's clean, and this dock floats. As you can see, it's not connected to the bottom of the screen. Next, take a look at this. We will talk about Notification Center. It's got all our notifications here, all grouped nicely, and then we've got these brand new widgets that we saw in iOS. Amazing. Control Center. One place for all our controls. Display brightness, sounds, do not disturb even is here now, and we can choose how long we want do not disturb on for. We've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, loads and loads of stuff all in one place. Amazing. Next up, Siri. It's the new Siri. Hey Siri, how are you today?
On it.
This is the new Siri, and it looks so cool. I love this
Still
new
on
Siri.
it. I'm fine. Thanks.
The new Siri is amazing. It's in the right place. It floats. It's got this new Siri icon that just wobbles like this when it's hearing me. I love it. The new Finder. We've got all these controls at the top. If we decide to make the Finder smaller, the controls will get smaller. They'll just disappear until there's none left at all. We can make it as small and as big as we want, and that is just great. We've got a whole new suite of sounds. Here are just some of the amazing ones I've discovered. They're all great. There's loads more. I love them. This is just great. The shape of a corner has changed, and I love it. We also have loads of new desktop pictures, and they're all great. Everywhere across the operating system, you're just going to find these amazing sliders. They're great. I love them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now. Please subscribe.